I'm going to show you how to withdraw your money from Payoneer to your bank account. So first you want to go to payoneer.com and then sign into your account. Next you want to click on the manage button on the left side here, and then you want to click on bank accounts for withdrawal, and in here you should find all the bank accounts linked to your account. If you don't have any, you can click on add bank account and link one. Here you'll be able to select the bank country and whether it's personal or business account. And then you want to select the currency, press next, and then provide the bank name, account number, SWIFT code, account type, and all of these banking info. Next, uh, next you want to press on the next button down here, and then it will be under review by Payoneer. It usually takes a few minutes up to 1 day maximum, I think. And once it's available for use, you want to go back, and then from the left side panel you want to click on withdraw and convert, and in here you want to click withdraw to bank. Now from this page, if your bank is linked and verified, you can select it, your local bank, and then specify the amount you want to withdraw, and then select the balance that you want to use, for example USD, GBP, or euros. And once you provided all the info and specified the amount you want to withdraw, you can confirm and click on the withdraw button, and they should send you the payment to your bank within few business days. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.